Alright, welcome to this video. This is J1 Gambles and we have a 1k balance here. We will try to flip this up, to maybe 5k possibly, we have done that before on this channel. And we're gonna run it back. We're gonna start off with a little bit of cheeky little egghead battle, double egghead, one Gucci, just a light little battle, crazy mode. Oh, you feel me? What's in? Come on. Alright. We get a bit of luck here. We still have a 600 balance, so we can crazy here. Okay, no one's pulling anything. Damn. Come on, bro. There we go. Can still lose here. We just lost. Oh, great. This might be a shorter video, because we might have to all in here in terms of having to make a profit. Do a quick all in here. Crazy mode once again, I believe Gucci gang. Crazy mode always. If we lose this, we might have to do a quick video here, maybe unless we win here. Come on. This might pay. This might pay now. Come on, if they just pull me down, this is gonna pay. Okay. Oh, what? Okay, now they pull like 100. What is this? And we pull, bro. This is nice. Fuck no. Hey.